the one kid's a 15-year-old black male. The girl's 14. They're in her house. They're having sex. Mom comes home. Oh my God, he raped me. He raped me. So they call the police. They lock him up. They're going to try him as an adult. Kid's 15. Okay. This is on June. I could be off of my dates. June 4th of '07. Okay. This is the case that's made state news. It's made national news too. Well, they come to court, and Olsen's behind the case, the same guy.
Right.
Prosecutor.
And they're going to try this kid as an adult. If you don't cooperate, you're going to go away for 25 years. And of course, the parents can't afford an attorney, so they go to a public defender. He ends up pleading guilty. Gets, I don't know how many years he gets. But from the time of the instance when it happened, June of '07, he was sentenced by September 19th that year. That's almost unheard of. To go, you get locked up, go to arraignment, go to juvenile trial. You got to be certified to stand as adult. Then you got to go to grand jury. Then you got to go to a circuit court and plead guilty. Then you got to have your pre-sentencing hearing or your sentencing hearing, all done within 3 months. Give me a break. Well, November of that year, the girl tells her mom, I lied. And we've been having sex for months. So mom, having the conscience that she had, went out and hired herself attorneys, trying to get this boy out of jail because he's in there, you know, unlawfully. So what they did was this kid had to register as a sex offender. He was in state confinement, I think 17 months. I'm not 100% on that. But to this day, now he's out because the Department of Justice in Virginia here let him out of prison. He's still got the sexual offender registry. I mean, he's still got the conviction. They're still fighting that. I think they have to go to the Supreme Court here in Virginia. The local judges in Stafford couldn't overturn it. They wouldn't vacate the conviction. The family went with the Innocence Project out of Charlottesville, and they've been working them hot and heavy. But Olsen stood up and made a fool of himself in court, saying this kid's a violent offender.
He's innocent.
If they'd have investigated that case with all due process that an individual is deserved to have in this country, they'd have found out all this information I'm telling you right now. But they didn't. You had a black kid and a white girl. And we go back right back to the 60s. Oh my God. That's Stafford County. Now they can scream and cry and yell it didn't happen, but I don't believe it.